Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a progress bar to your Wix website. So first head over to your Wix editor page and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next at the left corner of your screen, click on this four box icon or the add apps icon. Click on it and the Wix App Market window will then open up. Now here in the search bar, we're just going to search for an app named Number. So click on the Numbers app. Then from here, simply click the Add to Site button. Make sure that you tick the box and click on Agree and Add. And with the app, we can now add our progress bar. So just drag the progress bar to your page. And here you can also customize how your progress bar looks. You can modify the fill color and opacity, border, corners, and shadows. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!